People really don't understand or appreciate how important what you do is to this process because, first of all, purchasing any kind of property, in this case, it would be either commercial or residential, either one, it is the largest financial transaction you're likely ever going to make in your life. This is no
Absolutely.
joking matter. It's a big deal.
Some don't care at all, but most do. And here's the thing, a lot of people really don't understand what an inspection is. A lot of times we'll get, did the home pass or fail? And there is no such thing as a home passing or failing as it relates to inspections. Another thing I like to add is everyone involved in the home buying process think they are the most important cog in that process. And as an inspector, of course, I think that. Now, I've been a realtor before too, so I thought that as a realtor. So I kind of see it from both ways. To prove a point, when inspecting a residential property, and you just mentioned this is probably going to be the biggest investment they've made, I think an inspector is the most important person for a person who is buying their homestead, because they need to know if they're buying a lemon, but they also need to know if they're buying a home that is safe or unsafe for their family.